Now, how do we get there? Well, first you have to have a financial plan that's going to include not only how you spend your money, but how you save. So smart spending and smart saving, eating and managing budgets, forecasting how you're going to grow, and then also doing a financial analysis on your business. I mean, I would definitely, well, I do. I look at everything at least once a month, if not once a week, to see where things stand and where I want to bring things going forward. In here is also cost. How are you managing your costs? Identifying and eliminating waste, as well as optimizing your resources. And the last in financial mastery is profit maximization. How are we maximizing our profits? Strategies for increasing profits through pricing. I know we all, get around different sales times of the year to put something together to get more of our products or our services out there. So it could be in the pricing structure, cost control, or the revenue growth. All three have to be considered when we're talking about maximizing our profit, is leadership and team building.